Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change your shipping address on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then access your account at the bottom side of your screen. And here in the top right corner you should see settings icon that looks like this. And now from the list of options, find shipping address. And here you should see your shipping address that you have already added. So you can edit it. So simply tap edit button. Here apply any changes and do not forget to save it by using this red button at the bottom. Also you can delete it. So in the top right corner tap edit button. Mark your shipping address that you want to delete and press delete button at the bottom. And also you can add completely new shipping address to your account. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.